The first activity in this lesson is different angle, different images. In this activity, we will add an existing 3D object in different angle by changing the camera angle and position. Let's begin. Open the Blender software. Let's open tent.blend file which we had created in the previous lesson. Click on camera view icon which is right side on the viewport pane and just below the viewpoint option. If we try to render this image, it will look like this. The top object is clipped. So now let's correct it. Select the camera on the outliner pane. Now go to the object properties, inside the properties pane. Now inside the Z location type 6 and press enter. Now our camera is adjusted such that our entire tent is visible. Now if we go to the render option, it looks like this. To remove the gray background, go to the render properties option. Select the film and tick the transparent option like this. Go to the render and render the image. Now the background is transparent. Save this in .png format. To take the picture of the tent from the top, select the outliner pane, then go to the object properties. Put values of location X and Y as zeros and also put rotation X value as 0. So that the camera point in the down direction. Now to save this image, go to the render image option. Select the .png format, name the image and save it to the desired location.